this video, I'll be unboxing and doing a short haul on my yarns, which I got from the yarn barn. The yarn barn actually carries cashmere yarns and also LANA GROSSA yarns. I think that's how you pronounce it, but yeah, so I received this package yesterday, so it's still sealed. I'll be unboxing it with you. Okay, so I'm gonna open up. Oh my gosh. Okay, so the invoice fell. So the first thing was the invoice from the yarn barn, and then this is how it looks like. It's so pretty. It's all kind of like novelty yarn, so it's quite fun. And I've actually been trying to explore like new yarns and new kind of because I mean I love cotton, but I'm trying to explore other kinds of yarns like wool, hemp, raffia yarn, velvet yarn, viscose, linen and such. So I'm trying to like yeah, just explore other kinds of yarn. So we'll be going through this box today. Okay, so okay, the first one I got is LANA GROSSA Concerto. So this is this color in, I think it's 01. Let me just check against the invoice. Yep, so for this yarn, it's described as pink, lilac, orange, black, raw white, which is quite accurate. And this is actually $8.95. So I think it's not that bad. It consists of 88% cotton, 6% viscose, and 6% polyamide. If it focuses, I think it's not focusing. But okay, so I got that one color. I also got 010, which I think it is this color. This is also part of the Concerto series, and this has bordeaux, orange, violet, mocha and raw white, which is quite accurate. And then the next one I got is in 07, and it's quite standard. It's just black, dark gray, light gray, night blue and raw white. Okay, and then the last one from the Concerto range is this one in 06. This is light blue, blue, marine, orange and raw white. So yeah, so these are the 4 colors which I got. I think this is my favorite because it's quite like fun. One more here. Yeah, so this is how it looks like from the Concerto range. I think it's super cute. I'm not too sure what I'll be doing with I'll be crocheting these, but it should be quite, I don't know, I'm not too sure yet, but we'll see. But the yarns are very fun. Okay, so the next one we'll be going through will be, okay, so I got 2 crochet hooks from LANA GROSSA. So these are made in India, and I got this one in the size of 4.5 and also 5.5. So I've never tried the crochet hooks before, so it'll be a first. And then okay, so this will be going through like the remaining hooks. Okay, since that one fell out, this is in Teddy. Oh, this is cute. Made in Italy. It is, what yarn is this? But it's super soft and like squishy. It's super nice. Yeah, and the color is so pretty as well. It's like in this sage kind of color. It's one of my favorite colors actually. I like sage colors, lilac and stuff. So yeah. So this is in Teddy. Okay, and then I will be going through the, this is a Nature Pure. Okay, so the next one we'll be going through will be the LANA GROSSA Biolino. The Biolino I got in 3 colors. This is Nightblue. Okay, this is Nightblue. This should be cotton. Yeah, I think it's cotton. No, it's not cotton. It's 60% cotton, 40% linen. Yep. So this is in Nightblue, and then I also got in Beige Mottled, which should be this. And then I also got in Nature Mottled, so it looks like this. So these are 60% cotton and 40% linen, and the texture is kind of a bit rough, but probably because of the linen, but it's still soft, and you can see that the colors are so vibrant, and it'll be a fun bunch to work with. So these are the 3 colors that I got, and then let's go to the next one, which is. So I forgot to mention that these linen and cotton yarn is actually 50 grams, and they each cost $6.95. So I think it's quite reasonably priced for that. Okay, so the next yarn we'll be going through will be this one, which is 60% cotton and 40% silk. This is the Nature Pure Linen Pura Vero. I think this is the range. Vero yarn. So I got these. These are all variegated yarns, so it's quite pretty. And this is also 50 gram, which is how much are these? These are $8.95. So these are all variegated yarns, and I also got 3 more here. I actually bought 2 of this color, so technically I only get like 5 colors. Let me try if I can hold all up. Okay. Oops. 2, 3. Yeah. So these are from the Vero range. They are all variegated yarns, and my favorite will be this one. That's why I bought like 2 balls of this, and each are 50 grams at $8.95. And then we got this Paddy print. Oh, I think it's together with this. Yeah, it's actually together, but I think they changed the name. LANA GROSSA Paddy. One is in reed. I think this should be the reed, and then this will be the pink lime turquoise violet, which is quite accurate and it's quite vibrant. It's super squishy and really very soft on the skin. It's not like harsh or anything. What material is this? This is 50 grams as well. This is, it's 31% virgin wool and 69% polyamide. So I've never tried this kind of blend before, but I'm excited to try these. I'm not too sure what I can crochet with these, but it'll be a fun one to crochet with. And so in total, for like 15 balls of yarn with 2 crochet hooks, I spent $132.15, which I think is not that bad considering that these yarns are not easily accessible in Singapore. Like, you can't walk into a Spotlight and then buy a LANA GROSSA yarn. So yeah, I think it's quite reasonably priced as well. They offer free shipping for orders above 100, so I would totally recommend this shop, and I'll actually repurchase from them again. And so that's the end of this video. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!